DIY Scalp Psoriasis Treatment. 10 Simple Home Recipes. Is your scalp a battlefield of relentless itching, unsightly flakes, and uncomfortable soreness due to scalp psoriasis? Do you yearn for soothing relief that you can easily create with ingredients found right in your own kitchen, avoiding harsh chemicals and processed products? Nature offers a remarkable array of gentle yet powerful remedies that can calm your irritated scalp, reduce inflammation, and help you effectively manage your frustrating scalp psoriasis symptoms. It's crucial to understand that while these natural scalp psoriasis remedies and DIY scalp psoriasis treatments can significantly improve your comfort and overall scalp health, they are not a guaranteed cure for this chronic condition. Remember, this video shares general information and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. If your scalp psoriasis persists, worsens, or causes significant distress, please consult a qualified healthcare professional or dermatologist for an accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. The science-backed resources supporting the information presented in this video can be found in the description below. Welcome to our daily health. For the countless individuals grappling with scalp psoriasis, a prevalent condition characterized by the appearance of red, often raised and scaly patches on the scalp, the quest for gentle and effective relief is a constant pursuit. The appeal of natural remedies for scalp psoriasis and the simplicity of DIY scalp psoriasis treatment lies in their potential to soothe the intense itching, visibly reduce the bothersome flakes, and calm the underlying inflammation without exposing the sensitive scalp to potentially irritating synthetic ingredients. This video serves as your comprehensive guide to 10 remarkably simple DIY scalp psoriasis treatment recipes that you can effortlessly prepare and apply at home, utilizing readily available natural ingredients to help you effectively manage your scalp psoriasis naturally and promote a healthier, more comfortable scalp environment. Here are 10 simple DIY scalp psoriasis treatment recipes. Number 1. Aloe Vera Scalp Soother. Fresh aloe vera gel, extracted directly from the succulent leaves of the aloe vera plant, is a time-honored remedy celebrated for its exceptional cooling and potent anti-inflammatory properties. When applied directly to the inflamed scalp affected by scalp psoriasis, this natural gel can work wonders in reducing the characteristic redness, alleviating the often intense itching, and softening the dry, scaly plaques. The high water content and unique bioactive compounds within aloe vera also provide natural hydration, soothing the dryness that often exacerbates scalp psoriasis symptoms and promoting a sense of immediate relief. Numerous scientific studies have investigated the therapeutic properties of aloe barbadensis. Research consistently demonstrates the presence of various compounds within aloe vera that exhibit significant anti-inflammatory activity and can aid in skin hydration and wound healing, making it a valuable natural agent for soothing irritated skin conditions like scalp psoriasis. DIY recipe. Select a mature, healthy aloe vera leaf and wash it thoroughly. Carefully slice the leaf open lengthwise to expose the clear, viscous gel within. Gently scoop out the gel and apply it directly to your scalp, focusing on the areas affected by scalp psoriasis. For optimal soothing benefits, leave the aloe vera gel on your scalp for approximately 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it out with a mild natural shampoo. You can repeat this simple DIY scalp psoriasis treatment several times a week or even daily for consistent relief. Number 2. Apple Cider Vinegar Scalp Rinse. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, a product of natural fermentation, offers a potentially effective yet simple rinse that can be particularly beneficial for relieving the persistent itching and reducing the accumulation of scales associated with scalp psoriasis. The natural acidity of apple cider vinegar is thought to help gently exfoliate the scalp, promoting the shedding of scales, and may also contribute to restoring a more balanced pH level to the scalp, which can be disrupted in individuals with scalp psoriasis. However, it is crucial to exercise caution and always dilute apple cider vinegar appropriately before applying it to your scalp, as its acidity can be irritating if used undiluted, potentially exacerbating inflammation. While robust scientific research specifically investigating the effects of apple cider vinegar on scalp psoriasis is somewhat limited. Anecdotal evidence and some preliminary studies suggest potential benefits for certain skin conditions due to its antimicrobial and keratolytic scale-softening properties. DIY recipe. In a clean container, mix equal parts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and clean water. After shampooing your hair, slowly pour this diluted apple cider vinegar rinse over your entire scalp, ensuring that it reaches all the affected areas. Gently massage the rinse into your scalp for a few minutes to allow it to work. Leave the rinse on your scalp for approximately 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cool water. Use this DIY scalp psoriasis treatment once or twice a week, carefully monitoring your scalp for any signs of irritation or increased sensitivity. If irritation occurs, discontinue use or further dilute the apple cider vinegar. Number 3. Coconut oil scalp mask. Pure coconut oil, a readily available natural oil extracted from the kernel of mature coconuts, serves as an excellent natural moisturizer that can significantly help in softening the thick, adherent scales characteristic of scalp psoriasis and effectively relieve the often accompanying dryness and tightness of the scalp. Additionally, coconut oil possesses mild anti-inflammatory properties that may provide a degree of soothing comfort to an irritated scalp affected by scalp psoriasis. Its rich emollient nature helps to create a protective barrier on the scalp, locking in moisture and preventing further dehydration, which can worsen scalp psoriasis symptoms. Coconut oil is well known for its significant moisturizing capabilities and contains medium-chain fatty acids, such as lauric acid, which have demonstrated some anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects in scientific studies. DIY recipe. Gently warm a few tablespoons of pure, unrefined coconut oil until it is liquid. Part your hair and slowly massage the warm coconut oil directly into your scalp, focusing particularly on the areas where scalp psoriasis is most prevalent. Once your entire scalp is covered, gently wrap your hair in a warm towel or cover it with a shower cap to help enhance absorption. Leave the coconut oil mask on your scalp for at least 30 minutes, or for even deeper conditioning, you can leave it on overnight. To remove the oil, shampoo your hair thoroughly. You may need to shampoo twice to completely eliminate the oily residue. Use this nourishing DIY scalp psoriasis treatment 1 to 2 times a week for optimal moisturizing and soothing benefits. Found this video valuable? Like and subscribe for more health tips. Drop your comments or questions below. We're eager to hear from you. Please share this video to help others. Number 4. Oatmeal scalp treatment. Finely ground plain oatmeal, often referred to as colloidal oatmeal when processed to a very fine powder, possesses remarkable soothing and inherent anti-inflammatory properties that can provide significant relief from the often intense itching and underlying irritation associated with scalp psoriasis. When mixed with warm water to form a smooth paste and applied directly to the scalp, this simple DIY scalp psoriasis treatment creates a gentle emollient layer that calms inflammation and reduces the urge to scratch. The various bioactive compounds present in oats, including beta-glucans and avenanthramides, are known for their skin-soothing and anti-irritant effects, making oatmeal a valuable natural ingredient for managing scalp psoriasis discomfort. Extensive scientific research supports the anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and skin-soothing effects of colloidal oatmeal. It is recognized as a safe and effective natural ingredient for relieving dry, itchy, and irritated skin conditions, including various forms of dermatitis and eczema. DIY recipe. Grind approximately half a cup of plain, uncooked oatmeal into a very fine powder using a food processor or blender until it reaches a flour-like consistency. In a clean bowl, gradually mix a few tablespoons of this finely ground oatmeal powder with enough warm water to create a smooth, spreadable paste. Part your hair and apply the oatmeal paste directly to your scalp, focusing on the areas affected by scalp psoriasis. Gently massage the paste into your scalp and leave it on for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your scalp thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can use this soothing DIY scalp psoriasis treatment 1 to 2 times a week to help calm inflammation and relieve itching. Number 5. Tea tree oil scalp massage. Pure tea tree oil, a potent essential oil extracted from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia tree, native to Australia, is widely recognized for its strong natural anti-inflammatory and significant antiseptic properties. When properly diluted with a gentle carrier oil, tea tree oil can be carefully massaged into the scalp, to potentially help reduce the inflammation that contributes to the redness and discomfort of scalp psoriasis. Additionally, its natural antiseptic properties may help to prevent secondary bacterial or fungal infections in areas of the scalp where the skin is broken or irritated due to scratching. However, it is absolutely crucial to emphasize that tea tree oil is a highly concentrated essential oil and must always be diluted with a carrier oil before being applied to the scalp to avoid potential irritation or sensitization. Numerous scientific studies have demonstrated tea tree oil's significant anti-inflammatory and broad-spectrum antimicrobial activities against various bacteria and fungi. DIY recipe. In a small, clean bowl, carefully mix a few drops of pure tea tree oil with a gentle carrier oil such as pure coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. A general guideline is to use approximately 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil for every tablespoon of carrier oil. Part your hair and gently massage this diluted tea tree oil mixture directly into your scalp, focusing on the areas affected by scalp psoriasis. Leave the oil mixture on your scalp for about 30 minutes to allow it to work. Afterwards, shampoo your hair thoroughly to remove the oil. It is essential to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your scalp for 24 hours before applying it to larger areas to check for any potential sensitivity or allergic reaction. Number 6. Olive oil scalp conditioner. Pure olive oil, a rich and readily available natural oil pressed from olives, serves as an excellent emollient and natural conditioner for the scalp. Its high concentration of fatty acids and antioxidants can help to effectively soften and loosen the thick, adherent scales that are a hallmark of scalp psoriasis. Additionally, olive oil can deeply moisturize a dry, itchy scalp, providing significant soothing relief and helping to restore the scalp's natural lipid barrier. Its gentle nature makes it a well-tolerated DIY scalp psoriasis treatment for many individuals. Olive oil is known for its significant moisturizing properties and contains various beneficial compounds including oleic acid and antioxidants, which may contribute to its skin-soothing effects. DIY recipe. Gently warm a few tablespoons of pure, extra virgin olive oil until it is comfortably warm to the touch. Part your hair and slowly apply the warm olive oil directly to your scalp, focusing particularly on the areas where scaling is most prominent. Once your scalp is covered, gently massage the oil in for a few minutes to help loosen the scales. Cover your hair with a warm towel or a shower cap and leave the olive oil on your scalp for at least 30 minutes, or for an even more intensive conditioning treatment, you can leave it on overnight. To remove the oil, shampoo your hair thoroughly. You may need to shampoo twice to completely eliminate the oily residue. Use this nourishing DIY scalp psoriasis treatment 1 to 2 times a week for optimal moisturizing and scale softening benefits. Number 7. Baking soda scalp paste. Common baking soda, a readily available household ingredient, may offer relief from the persistent itching associated with scalp psoriasis for some individuals, by helping to neutralize the pH of the scalp. While not a primary treatment for scaling or inflammation, its mild alkaline properties can potentially calm an irritated scalp and provide temporary relief from the urge to scratch. However, it's important to use baking soda with caution, as its alkalinity can be drying or irritating to some sensitive scalps. Baking soda has a known alkaline pH and can have a mild exfoliating effect. Its ability to neutralize pH may contribute to itch relief in some skin conditions. DIY recipe. In a small bowl, mix a few tablespoons of baking soda with just enough clean water to create a smooth, spreadable paste. Part your hair and apply the baking soda paste directly to your scalp, focusing on the areas that are particularly itchy. Gently massage the paste into your scalp and leave it on for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your scalp thoroughly with cool water. Follow up with a mild natural shampoo if needed to remove any baking soda residue. Use this DIY scalp psoriasis treatment sparingly, perhaps once a week, and carefully monitor your scalp for any signs of dryness or irritation. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Number 8. Lemon juice scalp treatment. Freshly squeezed lemon juice contains natural citric acid, which is a mild alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that may help to gently break down and exfoliate the scales associated with scalp psoriasis for some individuals. However, due to its acidic nature, lemon juice can be irritating to the scalp, especially if there are any open sores or cracks. Therefore, it is crucial to use lemon juice with extreme caution and always dilute it with water before applying it to the scalp. Additionally, lemon juice can increase the scalp's sensitivity to sunlight, so it's important to avoid sun exposure after using this treatment. Citric acid is known for its exfoliating properties and is used in some skincare products for this reason. DIY recipe. In a small bowl, mix fresh lemon juice with an equal amount of clean water to dilute its acidity. Part your hair and carefully apply the diluted lemon juice mixture directly to your scalp, focusing on the scaly areas. Leave the mixture on your scalp for only 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with cool water. Avoid applying lemon juice to any open wounds or irritated areas. It is strongly recommended to avoid direct sun exposure on your scalp after using this DIY scalp psoriasis treatment. If you do go outside, wear a hat to protect your scalp from the sun's rays. Use this treatment sparingly, perhaps once every 2 weeks, and carefully monitor your scalp for any signs of irritation or increased sensitivity. Number 9. Banana and honey scalp mask. This simple DIY scalp psoriasis treatment combines the moisturizing properties of ripe bananas with the natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits of raw honey. Bananas are rich in potassium and natural oils that can help to hydrate and soothe a dry, irritated scalp, while raw honey contains enzymes and antioxidants that may help to reduce inflammation and promote a healthier scalp environment. Together, these two natural ingredients create a gentle and nourishing mask for scalp psoriasis. Raw honey has been shown in scientific studies to possess significant anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and bananas are known for their moisturizing and emollient effects on the skin. DIY recipe. Take 1 ripe banana and mash it thoroughly in a bowl until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure raw honey to the mashed banana, and mix well to combine the ingredients into a smooth mask. Part your hair and apply this banana and honey mask directly to your scalp, ensuring that all the affected areas are covered. Gently massage the mask into your scalp and leave it on for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse your hair and scalp thoroughly with a mild natural shampoo to remove the mask. You can use this nourishing DIY scalp psoriasis treatment once or twice a week to help soothe and hydrate your scalp. Number 10. Warm water scalp soak. Sometimes the most basic and readily accessible DIY scalp psoriasis treatment can provide significant comfort. Simply soaking your scalp in plain, comfortably warm water can help to naturally hydrate the dry, often thickened skin affected by scalp psoriasis, effectively softening the hard, adherent scales and easing the underlying discomfort and tightness. The warmth of the water can also promote relaxation of the scalp muscles, which can be particularly beneficial as stress is a known trigger for psoriasis flare-ups in many individuals. Warm water immersion is a fundamental hydrotherapy technique known for its soothing and hydrating effects on the skin. DIY recipe. Fill a clean basin with comfortably warm water. Lean over the basin and immerse your scalp in the warm water for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Gently massage your scalp while it is submerged to help loosen the scales. After soaking, gently pat your scalp dry with a soft towel without rubbing vigorously. You can repeat this simple DIY scalp psoriasis treatment several times a week as needed to help soften scales and soothe an irritated scalp. Follow up with a natural moisturizer applied to your scalp if desired. Bottom line, remember, finding the most effective combination of these simple DIY scalp psoriasis treatment recipes often involves a degree of personal experimentation and careful observation of how your individual scalp responds to each remedy. Consistency in application is often key to experiencing noticeable relief. It is always wise to discuss your scalp psoriasis management plan with a qualified healthcare professional or dermatologist to ensure that any natural remedies you choose to incorporate are used safely and effectively and complement any other medical treatments you may be receiving.